Saturday, June 15th, 2024. Focus. Let what you say be simply yes or no. We Christians are called to bear witness to the truth. This is never easy, but it is always uplifting. We have seen many courtroom scenes in Hindi films where the witness swears using a religious book, ostensibly the Gita, Quran, or Bible, to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. However, this is not the truth. When I was summoned as a witness in the district court for the first time, it was a great relief and a pleasant surprise that I was not expected to do any such thing. An Indian court of law accepts one oral oath or affirmation without needing to place one's hand on a holy book. Jesus has much to say on the subject of oaths. The principle is clear. We need to be careful about taking oaths and making vows or promises to the Lord and to one another. Jesus elaborates, "Do not take an oath by your head, for you cannot make one hair white or black." This holds good to this day, even if we use hair dye for temporary and superficial change. The hair root remains the same, and the truth is revealed in a few days. Swearing on other objects, including books, has the same effect. Fruit. Let me live with the ability to simply say yes or no, because anything more than this comes from evil.